Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Audi Outdoors. Today I'm going to show you how to put your maintenance hatch back on and make it flush almost every single time. So here's what I do. I take this edge and I put it up against the top like that. And you want to make sure that you pull this back a little bit so it's not touching the top part. And you want to put it straight up against there. And what you want to do, you want to make it nice and centered. So it's centered like that. And then you're going to start on one side. So I usually start on this side. I go straight down the side. And I'm going to do the bottom. And then I'm going to do the other side. At the same time, I'm going to push in on the middle a little bit. Just like that. And then you're going to rub it, make sure it's all nice and secure in there. And then you'll see this is basically seamless. Let me show you from the top. So yeah, you can see right there, there's really nothing sticking up. Maybe a little bit right here. But I can tell you it's very hard to get it off once it's flush like this. But that's how I mount it flush every single time. We'll take a look from the front. Don't mind my socks up there. Yeah, you can see it's nice and flush, nothing sticking out. And that's how you mount your front maintenance cover flush every single time.